Morning students, in continuation of periodic properties and classification of elements, we have one more important topic, IUPAC nomenclature of an elements greater than 100 atomic number, greater than under 100 atomic number. Okay, here we have the some rules. First, we have the some rules. First, we will take the number. First two, here I am taking the number and prefix. If atomic number start with 0 or middle 0 is there, if middle 0 is there, we use nil prefix. 100 is there, 100 means 1, 0, 0, nil, nil, 0 means nil. If 1 is present, we use un. If 2 is present, we use here by. Okay, 3 is there, try. 4 is present, tetra. Sorry, instead of tetra, here we use quad. 5 is present, pent. 6 is present, hex. 7 is present, hept. Okay, 7 is present, we use hept. 8 is present, we use oct. 9 is present, we use n. These are the different prefixes. If atom contain, okay, just atom contain different atomic numbers greater than 100. Greater than 100. Okay, based on these numbers, write the name. After that, second rule, you should add the IUM. You should add the IUM. Then you write the symbol. After that, you write the symbol. Just I am taking one or two. Atomic number of an atom is 101. Atomic number of an atom is 101. 101. We don't know about the name of that molecule. Okay, here first, how we write down? 1, 0, 1. 1 means what? Un. Right. 0 means nil. And here 1 means un. Un, nil, un. You add, I said, what will you add here? IUM. Okay, IUM. What is the complete name of this one? Un, nil, anium. Un, nil, anium. Okay, the IUPAC is the name of an element with 101 atomic number. 101 atomic number. What is the symbol? When you write the symbol, first one start with U, capital. Next, small. Small means UN. Like this, right? Okay, don't take the smaller, you write like this. UN. This is the symbol of atomic number 101 atom. Okay, next, for example, I am taking 110. Atomic number of an atom is 110. 1 means un, okay, nil, IUM. Un, nilium. Symbol UUN. UUN. First letter, you take symbol means first letter. Okay, for example, 109 is there. Un, nil, and here N, M. Un, nil, and M. Symbol UNE or capital. Write small or capital, both will be same. Okay, this is the just writing of IUPAC name of the elements which have more than or greater than 100 atomic numbers. What are those? First, 0 is there, we use nil. Okay, here 2 is there, we use pi. 1 is there, and 3 is there, try. Okay, here 4 is there, quad. 5 is there, present. 7 is present, 8 is present, after 9 is present, n. After the writing of these prefixes, use IUM and symbols are as usual. Write first letter 1 0 1 is there, 1 first letter, 0 first letter, 1 first letter. That's the symbol. Okay, here I am writing some atomic numbers. Okay, here I am writing all the names of those, and after that some names, some IUPAC names replaced with the original name. We'll see original name and original symbols also. Here I am writing atomic numbers. Atomic number 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110 up to 118. Okay, exactly they give up to 118. We'll see up to 120. Atomic number. Okay, IUPAC name. How will we write the IUPAC name? See here. Next one means un. Okay, plus nil plus un plus IUM. What is the complete name of this one? Nil anium. Nil anium is a complete name. Symbol. Here I am writing symbol. Symbol. Okay, what is the symbol of that atom? What is the symbol of that particular atom? Okay, symbol. What is the symbol? U N U. This is the symbol of that atomic number. And here I am writing original name. Original name and symbol. Okay, in continuation, we will write all in one question, all in one time. Okay, 102. 102 means un, nil. Okay, here by plus IUM. Nil by M. By UNB. This is the symbol for 102 atom. Okay, next un plus nil. Okay, try plus IUM. Nil trium. UNT. Atomic number of that one is UNT. Next nil quad plus IUM. Name nil quadium. UNQ smaller capital. Next 105 nil pent plus IUM. Nil pentium. UNP. Next nil exit plus IUM. Nil axiom. UNH small or capital. Maximum we use small or capital. Next nil sept plus IUM. Nil septium. UNS HRS. UNS. Next nil plus octet IUM. Nil octium. UNO. Next un, nil, n plus im. Okay, un, nil, nil, nem, u, n, e, small e, capital E. Un, nil plus im. Anyam, nilium, un. Okay, these are the different names, different IUPAC names of atoms. IUPAC names of atoms. Next, in continuation, just I will write the names, original names. Now we called that one. Okay, I am writing the name and symbol also. 101 we called Mendelevium. Mendelevium. Symbol is Md. Okay, 102 Nobelium. We use NO. UNT Lawrencium. Okay, LR atomic number 103. 104 Rutherfordium. Or F. 105 Dubanium. Symbol Db. Next 105 Dubanium over 106 Seaborgium. Sg. Next 107 Borium. Symbol Bh. Next 108 Hassium. Symbol Hs. 109 Meitnerium. Mb. 110 Dermastium. Ds. Okay, these are the original numbers, original names of different molecules, different elements. Okay, 103 olden days we called UNT, symbol is unmil. What we call this one? Unmil trium. UNT Lawrencium. Nowadays we call Lawrencium. Symbol is LR. These are the different atoms, elements with the atomic numbers and IUPAC name and now original name. Now, okay. Then in continuation we'll see the some more. Okay, we'll see some more atoms. Atomic number 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Okay, IUPAC name here I am writing un plus IUM. Complete name Unnium. Symbol UUU. Okay, we'll see in continuation what is the name of that molecule, what is the name of that atom. Here un, and here bi plus IUM. What unbium. Symbol UUP. Right. Next tri plus IUM. Untrium. Pentium. UUT, small t or capital. Okay, un plus quad plus ium, quad plus ium. Unquadium. UUQ. UUQ. Next, unpent plus ium. Unpentium. UUP. Next, unhex plus ium. Unhexium. UUH, small h or capital H. Next, here also un plus un. Here sept plus ium. Here act plus ium. Here un plus n plus ium. Here un by nil ium. Here we got unseptium. Unseptium. UUS. Here unoctium. UUO. Ennium. UUE. Here unbiennium. UBN. These are the IUPAC names of different atoms up to 120. Next, we'll take here common name of from the 111. We don't have a specific name for 113. We don't have a specific name for 113, not invented. And 115 also. And here 117 also. Sorry. 119 also. These two also. 117, 118 also. No names. No particular name. No particular name. No particular name. Okay. Next, 111. Rontizenium. Rontizenium. Symbol is Rg. Next, 112. Copernicium. Copernicium. Symbol is Cn. Next, 114. This one 114. Flarobium. Symbol is Fl. Next, 116. Liveromium. Symbol is Lv. Okay, all these are the elements up to 120. Some we have numbers, some we have specific names, some don't have the specific names. Okay, all these are the IUPAC names. Remember all these prefixes. If one is there, 0 is there, we use nil. Okay, if 1 is there, we use the what we use? Un. If 2 is there, we use the bi. If 3 is there, we use the tri. Okay, quad, pent, hex, sept, oct, n. Okay, we'll use like that, and we'll write the IUPAC names of different atoms. This is about the IUPAC nomenclature of different atoms. Then in continuation, we'll see the one more important topic is presenting periodic table. Okay, according to the long form of periodic table, Bohr's periodic table, okay, elements classified into groups and periods. And here, what is the general electronic configuration of different groups and individual? Need not to go for the individual. We'll see general electronic configuration. And based on that electronic configuration, elements were classified into 4 blocks. Okay, if electron present in s orbital in outermost shell means valency shell means last shell. Okay, just here I am writing one simple example. Hydrogen electronic configuration 1s1. Okay, helium electronic configuration 1s2. Lithium electronic configuration 1s2 2s1. Beryllium electronic configuration 1s2 2s2. Boron electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p1. See here in this valence shell, this one here valence shell, it is valence shell. In valence shell, electron is present in s orbital, so this element belongs to s block. Okay, this element belongs to s block. Based on the differentiating electron, this is called differentiating electron, last electron, outermost electron. Present in orbital, we classified elements into 4 blocks. If differentiating electron, last electron, terminal electron, outermost electron present in s orbital belongs to s block, p orbital belongs to p block. Okay, elements present in n-1 d orbital we called d block elements, n-2 f orbital we called f block elements. See here, electron is present in p orbital, so boron belongs to p block. Hydrogen, okay, electron present in s orbital, so hydrogen belongs to s orbital, s block. Okay, same based on that, like we classify into 4 types based on the electronic configuration, outermost electronic configuration, or differentiating electron present in an atom. Okay, these elements are classified into 4 blocks. Okay, one more classification of elements based on differentiating electron. Or last electron. Okay, terminal electron. Okay, based on the differentiating electron, elements are classified into 4 blocks. One is s block elements. That means if the differentiating electron present in a s orbital, such elements belongs to s block. If the differentiating electron present in a p orbital, those belongs to p block elements. If differentiating electron present in a d orbital, which d orbital? n-1 d orbital. Those are called d block elements. Okay, if differentiating electron present in a n-2 f orbital, those we called f block elements. See, if the differentiating electron means last electron. Okay, if differentiating electron present in a s orbital, such elements belongs to s block. If differentiating electron present in a p orbital, such elements belongs to p block. If differentiating electron present in Okay, if differentiating electron present in C, n minus 1 d orbital, such elements we called as d block elements. If differentiating electron present in n minus 2 f orbital, we called as f block elements. Okay, in continuation, we'll see the s block elements. Before seeing the s block elements and all those, just here I am drawing skeletal structure of periodic table. Skeletal structure of periodic table. This is the skeletal structure of periodic table. Left side of the periodic table occupied by the s orbital, s block elements. Okay, extreme right side of the periodic table occupied by the p block elements. Here in between s and p we have d block elements. Okay, s block, p block. Okay, here d block, and bottom of this one occupies the f block elements. This is the skeletal structure of periodic table. In continuation, s block here na left side, where the s block elements occupies, this occupies complete left side, extreme left side of the periodic table. Okay, these are present left side of periodic table. And here first group and second group elements. First write the definition in this. What is the definition in this? What we call electron, differentiating electron present in s orbital. One, these are presented left side of the periodic table. And here first and second group elements are considered as a s block elements. First and second group elements considered as a second group elements considered as a second group elements considered as a s block elements. The general electronic configuration of first group elements is ns1. That means it has only one electron in outermost. That's why we use ns1. Second group is ns2. Two electrons are present in outermost orbital, last orbital, valency orbital. Okay, first group elements are called alkali metals. First group elements are called alkali metals. Okay, these oxides form the base. These oxides form the base. Okay, by the hydrolysis. And here these are considered as a metal. What is the meaning of metal? The element which lose electron easily, or the element which has capability to donate one electron, we call as metal. Okay, that's why these are simply considered as a alkali metals. And what are the first group elements? Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Here hydrogen is a gas, francium is radioactive element. Remaining all are metals. Cesium, liquid metal. Okay, all these are remaining solid metals. Cesium only liquid metal. All these metal oxides form the base. That's why these are called alkali. And all these elements have capability to donate one electron. That's why these are called metals. First, when you write the first group, description of first group elements, okay, all these have one electron in outermost. General electronic configuration is ns1. These are called alkali metals. What are the elements? Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. In this, hydrogen is gas. Okay, here francium is radioactive element. It is also liquid. Cesium is liquid metal. Remaining all are the metals. This is about the first one. See here, last electron present in s orbital, so we call it belongs to s block. Here also last electron present in s block, so it is also considered as a s block elements. These are called alkaline earth metals. Alkaline means these bases, the oxides of this first, second group element base, second group, okay, gives base by the hydrolysis. That's why we call alkaline. And also available in Okay, electron easily donate the electron. Okay, those are simply considered as a alkaline earth metals. Okay, what are the second group elements? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Here radium is radioactive element, remaining all are metals. Okay, just this is about the S-block elements. What are the S-block elements? First group and second group elements are simply considered as a S-block elements. And here differentiating electron present in s orbital. Okay, what are the first group elements? Okay, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium are called first group elements. Okay, remaining beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium belongs to second group. First group elements are also called alkali metals. Second group elements are also called alkaline earth metals. General electronic configuration of first group is NS1. General electronic configuration of second group is NH2. Okay, in continuation, we'll see the P block elements and D block elements, F block elements. Okay, in continuation video. Thank you.